Thank you, Suresh. As Student Senate President of the Staples campus, I would like to start out by welcoming all parents, friends, and other relatives to this special night. You're a big reason why we're all here today. I would like to send out a huge thank you to the staff and faculty of this institution. It is your drive and dedication to the students that help us all to succeed. I would also like to congratulate all the 2010 graduates of Central Lakes College. Well, guys, we made it. This has been an incredible year for myself personally. It has had its rough times, but as I stand here before you all today, it has always turned out for the best. Our Senate has been extremely active this past year. We have sponsored our second annual 5K walk run, held snow days events, Beat the Heat Week, community service activities, and our second Halloween dance combined with Brainerd. These are just a few activities we have done this year, and the list goes on and on. I would like to thank everyone who participated and volunteered their time, even if I had to beg. Your help is very appreciated. I hope you have all gained something positive by being involved this year. I suppose I should be thanking our Student Activities Coordinator, Eric Hepner. What to say about Eric? I think anyone who has ever met him knows he is a big influence on Central Lakes at both campuses. He dresses well, he speaks well, and can convince anyone to do anything. Once you have figured that out, you just learn it's best to save time by nodding your head and not arguing. Besides his persuasive skills, Eric has really taken initiative to be a part of students' lives, as he has in years past. He has been a tremendous help to the Senate and students alike to move forward and make the college experience a memorable one. So Eric, thank you for all you've done. We really couldn't have accomplished anything we've done this year without you. We have all had some amazing experiences here at Central Lakes College and learned a lot while doing so. Our incredible instructors have done a great job at motivating us to move forward and grow as individuals, yet stay connected as students attending CLC. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm." This has always been a huge part of me, and anyone who has ever known me knows that as well. What I ask of you graduates is whatever you do with your life, be enthusiastic. Be excited about what you're doing. You're turning a new page in your life. Do so with excitement and enthusiasm, and you will always be successful. I know each and every one of you have the potential. I thank you all for listening, and even more so for being able to spend tonight with us. Good luck, graduates. You have all persevered. Congratulations, and thank you.
It's really great to see the gymnasium full to honor our graduates. This is my 4th year at Staples, and I have come to really appreciate the community, especially how the community comes out for special events for the college and for the school. There's a real spirit within the community and within the area of coming together and really working together and supporting each other, and that's really great to see. Before I get to my remarks and introduce our speaker for this evening, I would like to introduce to you 8 outstanding Central Lakes College employees who will be retiring at the end of this year. These 8 individuals represent over 172,000 years. It probably felt like 172,000 to them. 172 years of service to our students, our college, and of course the community. If you're present tonight, I'll ask these individuals to stand, if you would hold your applause, and if retirees, if you would remain standing until I've announced everyone. First of all, back over here is Del Lacey, Associate Dean of Entrepreneurial Development. Del has been with the college for 36 years, and he's a very active member of the Staples community. Next we have up front Dr. Wendy Schilender, who is Dean of Technical and Career Programs and also Dean of the Staples campus. Wendy has been with the college for 29 years. Next we have Judy Richer, who is not with us this evening, who is Dean of Students, and she's been with the college 27 years. Both Wendy and all these folks, Wendy, Del, and Judy, have spent the majority of the time here on the Staples campus. Next we have Shirley Judd, Ag Center and Management Program Support Staff, 24 years. I haven't seen Shirley here. You can appreciate Shirley's work when you go out by the Ag Center by the college and you see the Legacy Gardens. It's really because of Shirley that we have such a beautiful garden out there. Next we have over here Mary Marquardt, our practical nursing instructor who has been with us for 21 years. Diane Searcy, Foundation Director, 21 years of service. Sue Conklin from the Brainerd campus, Financial Aid Assistant, 21 years. And Tom Schultz, Farm Business Management Instructor, 17 years. Let's give these folks a round of applause. Well, this is always a great time of the year. End of the school year, graduations, pinnings, other ceremonies of recognition. And one of the things I like best about this whole time is all the cake. It seems like every meeting I go to, we have cake. And my waistline is starting to show the results of all the good food that we've been having the past few evenings and few days. This has been a time of activity for the students as well. As I walked around the campus, I see students working very hard. End of the quarter is coming, or end of the semester rather is coming. Deadlines are upon you. Things are due. I think it goes kind of along with being a student that there's also a little bit of procrastination, and all of a sudden things have to be done and there's a flurry of activity. I was thinking back to my years in college, and I remember a few all-night sessions where I bought the book the day before and had a test the next day and had to stay up all night to study. So I can empathize with perhaps what some of you are doing the past few days. You graduates probably not realize, but you are part of the largest graduating class that we've had at Central Lakes College. This year, over 1,000 students will complete their certificate, diplomas, or associate degrees. This is a great record for us. You are also part of a cohort of 6,000 students who are attending Central Lakes College this year. Again, this is a record for the college. We have many students that are coming to us directly from high school. We also have a lot of students that are returning after many years or a few years out of school. I talked to a Brainerd student yesterday, and she came up to me in the hall, big smile on her face, and said 50-year-old students can come back to school and they can make it, and she had just gotten a job, so she was ecstatic. We also have a number of veteran students with us as well. We're adding some transition courses next year that will allow our service personnel to get credit for prior learning through the military. We're very excited about that, and we're excited to welcome the veterans to our campuses. As a two-year college, we are very focused on student success. We are here to help you attain your dream and to help you build your future. Tonight, we're here to celebrate your success. I would like to thank you students for the many contributions that you have made to the college during your time with us. Many of you have been involved in the campus clubs and organizations, as Jordan was talking about just a few moments ago. The Staples Campus Student Senate has been very active, and I would say is probably one of the most active and best student senates in the state. Your Student Senate officers have done a great job of representing the student body and CLC at the regional and state levels through the Minnesota State Colleges Student Association. The list of service learning projects that you were involved with is impressive, and again, Jordan touched on a few of these. The recent Tour de Staples 5K Run for Charity, the Sacred Heart Elementary School Reading Project, yard cleanups for elderly and disabled folks in the community, the Habitat for Humanity Building Project by the Heavy Equipment Club, the coaching of high school students and contestants at a statewide robotics contest in the Twin Cities by the Robotics Club members, the Dollar Lake Revitalization Project by the Diesel Club, and the list goes on and on. You students gave back, you gave to your community, and in the process, I think you learned a lot of good, got a lot of good feelings and learned about some good habits that will engage you with the communities that you live in the future. We wish all of you the best as you take your next steps. You should be commended for your perseverance in completing your degree or diploma. You've invested in yourself and are leaving prepared for the next step in your life's journey. We encourage you to stay in contact with your CLC instructors and staff